Hi everyone, welcome to the C.A.S.E card collaboration. This is co-hosted by my friend Paige, who is here on YouTube as Stamp Girl, STMPGRL, and I. And the object, and there are several others in the collab, let me just say first. So be sure to check them all out when you're done watching my video. And the object is to copy and selectively edit. Now, others call it something else, and I forget what that is, but this is what we deem it to be: copy and selectively edit. And we are to use a current Stampin' Up! Catalog, which right now there are two. There's the annual from 20 to 21, which ends at the very early beginning of May, so end of April basically. And also there's the January to June 2021 mini catalog. And I've been doing, for the last 2 months, I've been using the annual catalog as my case things, but I decided to use one out of the January to June this time. So this is the one I decided to pick right here. And I actually did use this paper from the Fine Art Floral Suite, and that's about it that I used from that suite. So my card is going to be very different from this, and you'll see that in just a moment. So I also used this stamp from Simply Succulents, which I've been wanting to use this set, and I used this die cut and the pot die cut as well. I used these gold glitter enamel dots that are online only, I believe. And I used, one second, the Pretty Perennials. I used this and this. No, I'm sorry. I just used this for the stamp. And I used these two dies and this die that went with that little branch thing from Pretty Perennials. And I used a Wish for Everything. I'm not going to tell you which one. And also the coordinating Word Wishes dies. So I used quite a lot. These two are from the annual. These two bundles are from the January to June mini catalog. And these are just online. They're a carryover from a Christmas Time is Here suite that was an online only promotion a while back. So with that, let me show you the card I made. Are you ready? Let me move this out of the way as well. Here we go. I made a St. Patrick's Day card. So here's the paper that they showed in the case. Actually, let me bring that back in so we can compare, right? This is the background paper. I put it on Garden Green. I was going to use Granny Apple Green, but I just wasn't feeling it. And this color here is Granny Apple Green. So this is the rainbow glitter enamel paper. Rainbow glitter paper. And that's in the annual catalog as well. You've seen me use that, I think, with some butterflies recently on my Wednesday night live. Here is the die from the Simply Succulents, and the pot I actually stamped in Versamark and heat embossed it with gold. And then these are all done from the Pretty Perennials set because I wanted a pot of gold, so to speak. So it's not completely gold, but a lot of it is. Not gold coins, but you know. And I did use gold ribbon. That is from the Christmas Time suite also, I think. One second. Yeah, it was still online as of July 13, 2020. Oh, it might have retired now. I don't know. Anyway, I did use this shimmer ribbon, 1/4 inch, which actually was part, I think, of the same promotion as these were. So hopefully they're still online. And then here are the enamel dots. So I just, oh, and these are the Word Wishes dies. Word Wishes dies. Yeah. And I did them twice in garden green and then once in the gold foil. These are Stampin' Up's gold foil, by the way. And garden green on this one. And I just made it so that part of the petal hung out over the pot. And then these were stamped and die cut, 3 of them. And then inside, I just kept it simple. May the luck of the Irish go double for you. And another piece of the glimmer paper, rainbow glimmer paper. So that is my card. I only did one this month. But this was the inspiration piece using word dies. The banner with the rainbow. I thought about using the quite curvy set, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it this time, so I didn't. And this did have ribbon or something under, but I think they used the, I was thinking about using this one that came with the fine art floral, but I wasn't liking it with the glimmer paper. I liked the other one better, so I went with that. And they had some sequins on it. Yeah, now, so they didn't have any decoration like over here, so I added that. So that's my card, St. Patrick's Day. I hope you like it. Please go check out everyone else in the collab. Also, if you're interested in any of the products, I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the United States. This is my March host code to use for any orders under $150 in the month of March. And the links to the products and the my online web store portal will be down below the video, below the links for the other people, if you're interested in any of the products used to make this beautiful festive card for St. Patrick's Day, which is the 17th of March. So I thought that was kind of timely. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.